What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's Big Jeff, and we are back again, guys. We're in a little vlog for me. Who know what today?
It's Dunny World, man. I know who it is, man.
For me, today's just a little chill day. You know what I'm saying? He came by, helped me get my tire off that flat for me. Came through the clutch for me. We're doing a lot today.
Got to pull up on Gator.
I'm going to pull up on Gator. For me, the chase. Yesterday was Bud's birthday. We got that vlog. I'm about to upload that whenever I can. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Booter. His birthday is yesterday. But you already seen that. But that's it. I'll be back with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Uzi feature dropped that shit. Go stream that. Go stream Inner Soul. A lot of big news. Let's try it. Uzi, you didn't hear it? You didn't? That baby Pluto, ex-Pluto. Like the album name. I don't know, the best song they got, that's it. That's it. Shout out Ollie's. Shout out GTC. Big moves, man. We got the rappers in Frankfurt. I don't know if y'all ever seen Frankfurt, but this is what Frankfurt looks like. 12 years of lifts. Hashtag LA dreams. Hollywood dreams. In the whip, gotta get the whip, ice cream in and whip. Freestyle for y'all. I need suggestions, I need feedback, comments, all that for me. Likes, subscription. Oh, they can't even get nowhere. Shout out Color Buildings, TTC. That place used to be like shitty. Let me shout out everybody that's getting in the books. Still hashtag LA dreams, man. Alright, well, we're about to see what's going on. I'm just tired. Right back to y'all. Feel me, we're back. Feel me, we got the feel me. We got that new Uzi on.
Welcome to Dooneyville. It's the Dooney town.
Tell me what we gotta do. What we gotta do?
We gotta beat our Doonies down.
Uzi on. No corona.
It's not that one, man.
Look at that bitch. That's like an ass. How you thick with no ass? That's right.
Like, don't go on a way type shit.
And try that. It probably got loosened up. I think it loosened up in there.
Hey,
What up, Jay?
so I do it type shit, I'll show you. It like won't go all the way over that part, I think.
Over what part?
The round part in the front.
But put it in there. Put it in there.
I got the 19 on it.
Put it in there.
What?
Okay, then yeah, go back. Go out and then 21. Take that 19 off and put that 21 on that I gave you. That 21 should get it. It's gonna be hard to put on, but you just gotta angle it right and stick it on there. And then put it all the way on. Is the 21 on there?
Yeah. Alright.
What the? What?
That's what I'm saying.
It's probably loosened up. That thing probably get that bitch off.
Huh?
Feel me? The mechanics stay.
I'm gonna try both of them like yeah, 19.
Maybe, I guess it's a 17. Look, I'm about to head over to the fucking urgent care.
All?
What?
Alright, bet. Hold up. The 21 is doing something when I do it that way. So, let me try 21 again.
Yeah, we sit on this.
Get that booty shot.
Did you get it?
Oh, we gotta see.
My dad's a doctor. I just fucking. You got one for bad.
Which way is it? I think I remember what dude did. He put some shit right on the bottom.
Hey, how does it look?
So, basically, I think what's happening is, I think it's just not getting over this round part type shit. Because when I put it on regular, it won't twist type shit like it's on there. You feel me?
Like the 21 is?
Yeah. Hold up. I could try to put it on there.
I'm gonna bring it and I'll bring you the extension and other shit. See if y'all need them all.
Bet, just call me.
Alright, love you, bro.
There you go. It's like his bitch ain't deep enough.
fail. Couldn't get the job done, but what they say in elementary school, the effort counts.
Some cheese. I push the button and they're bending my knees. I push the button cause I am a beast. I push the button, she call when I please. I push the button when I need some peas. And I push the button when I need some peas. I push the button, bitch, nigga, my feet. I push the button, got money on me. Money on me. Money on, bitch, I trip.
That new Uzi Future album. That Pluto X Pluto. X Pluto X Baby Pluto. Go stream that album right now.
I gotta pay for feet. I got that hop on my sleeve. Real ice on freeze. Swag like Syria beat. Swag from overseas. Bitch, I drink my shit. Bitch, do drugs, don't sleep. Still got break my feet. Still get rich, get geek. Money on me.
We're back with the tire. We got some reinforcements. For me, we had to get back up.
Big bodies out here.
Big bodies out here. We had to get the big bodies back. We had to get reinforcement.
You feel me? Had to get
What the fuck?
Feel me? Experts.
Makes no sense. What's that mean? Like it's not working. Too big.
Hell no. But I ain't going, bro. We
That bitch is 2 tons. Did you drive on that bitch home?
Huh?
Did you drive on that home?
Yeah.
Lucky your rim ain't done.
Reinforcement.
All of this work.
That bitch is stuck now. The fuck? How the fuck? What did Chase give y'all?
22.
Bitch won't even go back in.
It does. You got to push it the right angle.
I am, cuz I went around every angle. Look at that bitch, bro.
Is it looser?
I don't know. See, that fits, it's just this thing keeps turning.
Nah, it ain't no loose. Nigga.
I'm trying to do it with this thing.
He gave that a 17.
What?
Lower the jack where it's just sitting on the tire so it don't move. And then you can pull it back and show you.
Things in my car.
Huh?
Things in my car.
That was smart, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
Smart move. Sweatshirt, come on.
Too hot, huh? Flea out here, yes sir.
Hop up out the bed, turn my swag on. What?
Are you trying to loosen it?
Smaller.
Oh, this way.
Still moving, that's crazy. That's so crazy.
Thumbnail. You gotta look at the camera and do a thumbs up. Jump on that bitch.
No, that's not good.
It's like just scraping. Oh, we can try the 21 on the extender thing.
Who, Taylor? I'm cold up with all this, bro.
I don't know where it got by that type shit. Like, it's just like flat.
Try this one on the extender.
Look it off.
I'll be back.
It wouldn't spin that loose. When it turns, it just crack open. Like you just hear it crack open, basically. I was thinking the same thing for What? Look at this thug.
That's it for the video. Leave a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. If you are a vertical, give suggestions for new videos, give feedback to help build our channel. You know what I'm saying? We went up, and I'm out. Peace.